A wild tiger hawk's been attacking people recently. Can you go look into it?
Is this my...
You just told him.
Dr. Thallis? Who's that?
He's an evil scientist who worships machines.
What's the matter?
My tummy, it's talking to me.
Moga, you can't keep running away!
Woody! Plug your nose now! Hi.
Is he going to twerk or something?
You're gonna pay!